Real G's stay true to them dear ones. Real G's stay true to them dear ones. Real G's stay true to them dear ones. No amount of money can change man.
Whoa!
Bring it to the owner.
Whoa!
Are you see my pussy so cold?
Hey guys, can y'all see me? Is the lighting good? I know the lighting is crazy, so I'm gonna put the camera here. Catch it right there, and I'm gonna go here. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl BrightAsDae. If you don't know about it, know yet. To all of my new people that's come back to my channel, welcome. Hopefully stick around and subscribe. For all of my old but goodies, welcome back. And I know when I wear these bracelets, like, they're annoying, so I'm gonna try not to move this hand as much, because I move my hand a lot when I talk. And when I'm editing, I'm like, yo, this sounds annoying. So anyway, I am starting the vlog here. I look a little crazy, but it's okay. I didn't feel like getting dolled up today. I'm linking up with my DAEONEs, Reeka and Mz Nesh today. I'm in Fort Lauderdale. I'm supposed to be meeting Reeka somewhere. She didn't get there yet, so I'm just parked waiting on her. And then we're gonna go see Nesh for the day. I'm coming back to Fort Lauderdale tonight. And yeah, so that's what I'm up to for today. What should comment know? Cause I'm ready to go hit the road. It's gonna be traffic. It's 3 o'clock right now in the afternoon. So you don't know, so traffic I can stop. I'm already school putting on the road, and traffic got tied up a little bit, and we got a little drive to go. So like, I want to hit the road now to beat the traffic, and by the time I'm coming back tonight, it won't be as much traffic. But yeah, that's what I'm up to, and I'm excited to see them. I have not seen them since y'all saw them in the last vlogs and stuff. Y'all, I washed my hair this morning, and it's flaking already with the gel. But y'all, my hair grows so fast. Like, I cut it when did I cut my hair? Saturday, I think. Saturday or Sunday, and it's like growing back already. Like, the part in the back and stuff is going away. But I'm still messing with the hairstyle. I should have put some lashes on and did my eyebrows. I do need to go get my eyebrows shaved. I'm at the shop right now, but I don't feel like going in to get them shaved, because I feel like as soon as I go in, Reeka gonna call me saying she ready. So I'm just waiting. And guys, so I'm gonna pick up Reeka, link up, as I told you. I know we heading to Nesh, and then if you can't shut up, look like no gas.
Hey, no. Shut up, not push the car.
Hey guys, no gas in there. Like, the thing I bling, but I got my final one shells with a
we have
with a 0.5. Yeah, I have Shells rewards. I always got Shells. Shells is like the only gas station I go to.
So due to I'm not pushing the car.
No man, we're not cut out. You see when it start blink? That means it start blink at 13 miles, and it start blink couple miles ago.
People,
but I think we have 1 mile in there.
People can't have airplane, because people go there for no man car, and cars are drop out the sky.
We not run out of gas, man. We not get them embarrassment in the day. Yeah. But I'm just checking at them, so we'll link up with Reeka. We're going to head out Nesh. Once we get gas on here, I'm tired because
come here with
the tire
blast out of the people in mall.
Guys, who don't know some can't drive in a styling.
Take a shot.
No tree not growing at your face, and your man told that you say you're quite alright. No donkey no bite, so you walking at this, so you're not out at night. Some girl get wine and touch, but me get wife and such. No tree not growing at your face, and your man told that you say you're quite alright. Any man them touch have amnesia, me good make man get visa. Me come in.
We just got to Nesh's house. Inside, I wish by the key there I make up nice. Yeah, if my car wasn't like how it is, you know how much time would I lock up my car, my key in there? Like, I can't, if I try to close the car with the door and the keys inside, it will make saying the keys inside. You can't imagine if that never did on my car. I didn't know something I forget one car with that feature there, because you know how much time all in the trunk I lock up the key. I have to, like, I need them necessities here in my life, because boy, I would have screwed most of the time. But anyway, I'm not even getting for showing my shirt. I like my shirt, you see? Big up brass, dress for less. It's a queen. What do you call them black queens up on my shirts? Yeah? Thank you. $5.99 rights and wrongs. We're not even, oh, I'm not even calling Nesh. Oh yeah, call her. So we reached Nesh now.
We're outside.
We're outside.
But you know what we are calling.
Hey, Niche Vex car we're late. Well, we're not even late. We're right on time.
Yeah, we never leave.
Nothing never happened before. It's time. But my head, and this mama wash and look at her flake already with the gel. We can't wait to get it shape up back again.
She have vlog.
Oh, your shirt. Yeah, Reeka shirt say Queen. To Niche better go put on shirt with Queen. Man, I say a shirt say Queen. Hey, Niche better find one shirt. Them Queen can be a Queen.
Niche can be serious. Niche come on me.
I know good girl not reach downstairs, people.
Yo, what?
So, oh, she have so much to step on the phone and she not come downstairs yet.
I think it'll be more obvious.
So she be me, tell her I start right down the road with her and Jacksonville me have to drive, go back now. Niche being mean to us guys and I don't know why. And me, she don't mean with them because I promise to come to Jacksonville from March. From March and assume me I know they don't reach Jacksonville.
People.
Don't listen, we don't hear we
have planned for surprise her and come up there for her birthday. Like in June.
Niche no knows her son at.
Niche can be serious. I wish you got hello.
Glenisha. Two hour one time. No sir.
Sit up my ass Glenisha with me and say something serious.
Jesus. Niche I punish you out here at. Why my car want wash people. Look at my car. It needs to be washed. You can't even see the dirt on it.
Funny.
You want to wash. My man said, if you come give him for $10, wash it for $10.
Inside or out?
The dog start back, me nearly run. No, Niche is bad.
About 2 minutes to hotel.
She look is 2 minutes more cause the next video we just have vlog at 3 minutes all. Hello.
Not looking for somebody?
She's coming. She didn't open the door yet.
Okay.
Thank you. Thanks. Thank you. She ain't know we get let in now. She ain't trying to come to the door. Hey, watch her. Look, essentially. Yeah, watch him. People, you see how she treat me? Hi, Niche. Don't act nice to the vlog.
And the family let
you in. Traffic did up on the road.
No, it's bad, man.
I done told y'all.
Alright.
Early.
You said she love to treat like she or somebody, mother.
Mother Niche. So guys, we just reached my body tired.
We better not relax that.
People don't clean the room so they can't show nothing in there.
We're not saying the room.
We're not vlogging there, don't worry.
Because remember girl, I forgot work. What the fuck is this?
I know my problem that you text
Reeka phone just busy.
They're on customer service.
Me say.
Young girls, put up a blue wash out them here.
So what we are go people?
Okay.
Cause me never know so Reeka have plans. Reeka said we're not chill.
Okay.
Me that plan for go park the bag and sit down and cook up food. Niche, look at my nose ring. I can't wait to change it to be popping like yours.
No, you know what? Stuff like this.
No, I want like a prettier thing.
Girl, them money are hurt me.
So guys, we reached with our Applebee's. We're getting lunch. Dinner, I don't know. Margarita on the rocks, pink lemonade, frozen margarita. Y'all know my style already.
We ain't got no idea what we're gonna eat.
We don't know what we are eat. So we're gonna decide and then we'll come back.
Girl, come skin out. Girl, you a body breaker. Me say me turn it back. You a body breaker.
Steam fish dance?
Yeah.
We can't be.
No, you come in, go through. Give them it. Give them it, goodie, give them it. Yeah, got it. Yeah.
Come on,
yeah.
Don't act shy.
Steam fish dance.
Come,
again.
start with the 1s and 2. Step, yeah, step, yeah. You have to drop it. Come here for drop it for the black.
Guys, we're in a restaurant. People be a foolish.
Be a
I'm trying to keep them closed. No fitting room.
And whosoever try that on the green, see that have nothing upon
I say
them.
anybody will try on this vampire the green. And me like an idiot in this. They don't know it's a good girl. Good girl, I forgot go home. It's a lucky thing when I got a fitting room.
Draw down your shirt.
So guys, we're in a rush for about 1 hour and a half now. Finally,
That is a lie.
that's true. It feel like it. Maybe 1 hour. But I'm getting this. I can't even see it. I don't see it on my avatar. But the Maga Jamaica said, "Much I get past Jamaica, girl like me, and I said Jamaica still." I don't know.
She coming, guys. She's coming.
I'm pulling them people.
No, she are forward because I forget some of Jamaican people don't like the word come.
No, them like the word but guys, good girl attack for a man.
This thing, and then
Good girl say that's a good girl.
Big up yourself, yeah.
Get new earcut and girl good cheeks. Yeah, goodie.
it's like this. It's
Blush too.
Yeah. Show me goodie. Them say so you can wine for the John another wine. What you say? Slip it in through the crack. Yeah. Girls in love.
As the man was studios.
Thank you.
Look at good camera left the camera. That's slackness. She in love. Tell them how good in love.
She in love.
Let's say she stand up next people.
Where is it?
So let's talk to her man. And we just get ready for go home. Now we drop off. Or leave Ross. I don't know if Ross can show you that something. There you go.
Bye, guys. For now.
I'll see you see her. I gotta work right now. So soon.